Hello, I'm George from Allseat, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Slimline Pro Advertising Displays, the PFHD9 range. So we launched this one over 10 years ago now, so naturally there's been a few changes. I'm just going to run you through what they are. So first let's talk about the retaining features. So you've still got your 24/7 commercial grade panel. It's 450 candela brightness. We've still got the tempered glass, so no risk of vandalism. We've still got the integrated media player, and you've got your free wall mount that can be used in portrait or landscape. Now up to this current version, let's talk about what the changes are. So we've now got a thinner frame. It's actually 70% thinner than before. This is making it more lightweight, so it's much easier when it comes to shipping and installation. We've also got the brushed aluminium side with the concave indent, and also this screen is available in touchscreen. If you want any more information on this, you can have a look at it on our website or speak to your dedicated account manager, and they're more than happy to help. Cheers.